Radical pragmatics is the disagreement on whether words exist at all. And the touchstone for radical pragmatics is polysemy, which refers to a word having distinct but similar and related sounds. One of Pinker's examples of polysemy is when he talks about chicken. Chicken, he talked about, can be either a meat or an animal, depending on how we use it. He also talks about how we use polysemy without realizing it. He mentions the difference between beginning a meal. When you begin a meal, you can talk about either preparing a meal or beginning to eat it. A device of polysemy is metonymy, which is when a person can obtain vehicular or other objects' properties. For example, like Mac parked out back. We know Mac can't physically park out back, but from past experience, we know Mac parked his car out back. There are a couple different types of polysemy. There is regular, which is just changing from walk to walked, and adding that ed. And then there's irregular polysemy, which is the difference between come and came. And then there's the memorization of words, like the word blue. We know that the sky is blue and the ocean is blue. So when we hear the word blue, the mental image of the color of those two comes to mind. There are also some examples of regular polysemy that are so simple they don't require complex multiplication of words or combination of anything. One example is the word good. Good simply can be different types of, there are different types of good. Good wife, good knife, good life, they all mean the same thing. So that's one of the very simpler polysemy types.